Hi guys, Ivan here from Exim team. Now I will show you newest update. It's May 2019 and now we have iOS 12.3 supported. Okay, now for updating adapter, it's very important to fit the adapter correctly into SIM tray. Sorry, this side. Okay, first you use a working SIM card. Okay, you put into SIM slot, need to here click, plug into USB port. Okay, detect card. Okay, so the latest update, it's Max LTE 4G. Okay, press update. Of course, all the news regarding Exim can always be found at exim.me. This is the only official website for Exim adapters. As you can see below, you also have news about Exim latest releases into this link. Also, you can buy Exim adapters via this link, or you can email us. Of course, you can always email us. Okay, now the same procedure is for Exim Light LTE and for Exim Max LTE. Exim Max LTE, it's the same IC inside, just the design is different, so can support new SIM tray position on newest Apple devices. Okay, you can write down ICC ID, you can write it down manually. After this, it depends on your link. So one more thing, if for example the adapter says bad ATR or something like that, you might need to use dumb SIM adapter. So this is just a piece of paper, so it is absolutely same procedure, except you will use dummy SIM and not the real SIM. Okay, so in some situation you will have to do like this because the dongle cannot read your adapter for some reason. So this is it. Thank you.